Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Honda Rancher 4x4 with the electric shift. This thing is in beautiful shape, only 43 hours. It's got the camo color scheme. Electric shift on the handlebar. 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, you name it. Come on by and make your Rancher quad 4x4 dreams come true for just $73.99. This thing is beautiful condition. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.